హాయ్ వ్యూవర్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు లియో హెల్త్. ప్రస్తుతం మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు డాక్టర్ మృదుల కోడిపాక అండ్ వారు వచ్చేసి హెడ్ ఆఫ్ ద డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ రిహాబిలిటేషన్. మ్యామ్, హలో మ్యామ్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
I'm good. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine, ma'am.
Yeah.
And first of all, thank you so much for giving your valuable time with us.
Thank you.
And ma'am, my question is,
Yeah.
how rehabilitation plays an important role in patient's recovery?
See, rehabilitation plays a very important role in a patient recovery
Okay.
in many ways. Like we don't stick to one patient or like one department like that. Nowadays, for every patient, like I may not say it's like somebody who's coming for small surgeries or something like that.
Okay.
But yes, of course, because it's like again coming into like a departmental wise, like take it as a lung rehabilitation. It's a big subject where we
Okay.
have to do it with almost to the all post surgery cases. So then orthopedic rehabilitation, there is a neuro rehabilitation, there is a pediatric rehabilitation.
Okay.
Taking into a consideration, we have a gynecology rehabilitation. In gynec, we have again OBS. In OBS, we have antenatal, postnatal.
Okay.
So it is like everywhere we have to train the patients when they come as a patients. Like we have to train them.
Okay.
This is your. The thing, this is your body where how you are going to get recovered fast. So we have to make them understand to that point, like okay, this is your rehab role, I'm going to do so and so treatment for you.
Okay.
Coming to like an orthopedics, like we have to ask the patients like what I am going to do. Is it like I'm going take it any general conditions, like you can take it like back pain, spinal pains, fractures, this all comes under an orthopedic condition. So we have to ask the patients, okay, taking like, because when we are treating the patients, of course there will be a pain.
Okay.
It's not like many times we are not a pain free the treatments we are giving. So we have to take a patient into a confidence what we are doing it for their good.
Okay.
Okay, so then coming like when the patients are in like ICUs, again the major role plays where you call as in lung rehab.
Okay.
So lung rehabilitation is like again a big thing. You can see the patients if you are daily giving. We almost treat our patients. Our hospital has we designed the protocol in such a way, like where we treat a patient almost twice a daily. If it is required,
Okay.
we go like more for that patients where you see the secretions which are there in the lungs. So
Okay.
we go with the patients to ease the patient, because with so much of consolidations even the patient will have a SOBs which you call shortness of breath and all. So definitely we want to increase the patient's lung capacity, where the
Okay.
IRV we try to inspire, which plays a major role. If the lung is recovering, the patient is becoming better. When
Okay.
you come, when we have our hospital is a fantastically like we have a discharges about the transplant patients.
Okay.
So when we see them, we have to train them from a day one. We just start with the treatment from the day one. With the replacement surgeries, day one, make the patient stand up. This is this, because as early as we are on with the patients, they just recover very fast. And they will understand, okay, this we have to go through. After a few, like just you are giving so much of time and then you are asking a patient, okay, come and do the treatment. They will be not ready for this, because they say like, I'm tired now, I
Yes.
cannot. But if I am asking a patient, where we are telling a patient, okay, day one we have to give a lung, we have to chest, I have to pat, I have to give the treatment, I'm going to stimulate you. If you are doing it from the day one, from the beginning of the patient, then they will take
Get
it as a
habituated.
treatment. Yes,
Yes,
they will
get
take it.
habituated.
Okay, this is I have to, I have to take this as my treatment, and
Yes.
I have to go this thing, like okay, I'm taking my IV fluid. In the same way, I'll take it this also, and then slowly after few durations, they get used to familiar with us, they just talk with us.
Okay.
That's what we have been discussed last time, the talking, the counseling part. Then we have to put the patient interest, and we have to get our work done with the patient, so that the patient is comfortable and the patient is recovering faster.
Okay.
So, and then if you take an antenatal, nowadays the girls like who are carrying, like who are pregnant, they are more conscious with the weights and everything. So we take them to antenatal exercises.
Okay.
We have all the 3 trimesters we have designed the antenatal program, which we give to the patients, so that if they are going for normal labors, you know, they just regain all the muscle strength and everything in the future, like when they are into the late or like 40s or 50s, you know, the muscles are still toned up because they are just strengthening their body. And nowadays the girls, the young girls who are just coming, they are more conscious about the weight and everything.
Yes.
So we train them not to have so much of the weight, because that is the psychology of the patient. Okay, you are pregnant, I'll eat a lot of food. That is not the way, because it's not going to the child. It's like it's to you. It's your body which will take a lot of, as you say, we only can gain 11 kgs. 11 to 13 is acceptable. And then we need a healthy child, and we need a healthy mother.
Yes.
That is again a gynec and observe. In a gynec, we give all this pelvic floor exercises, pelvic floor strengthening, pelvic floor stimulation, where the strength of the muscles, where the patients who has a prolapses, they recover very faster and fantastically without surgery. So we maximum try a patient not to go for the land up into the surgery. Coming to the pediatrics, coming to the neurological conditions, again it is like early, how much we are doing, the recovery will be the faster. So it's a very like you can go with a zone wise, like I cannot like taking, because if you are coming, unless and until there is like heart attack, we cannot be, that's an immediate. Already your cardiac muscles are too stressed there, where you need a relaxants. So we only treat like cardiac rehabilitation, we treat complete like a CABG surgeries, any replacement surgeries with the mitral valves, or so many things we do with the cardiac transplantation. We almost discharge our patients till, you know, they just like finishes like the target what we give them.
Okay.
Then only, you know, we know, okay, fine, this patient can go out and take that quantity of stress. Physical stress I'm talking. So that is how we train. When the patients are on a ventilators, when they come back, I know they come back to my department with oxygen cylinders and with an emergency kit and everything, so that still we have to train them, because we want a patient to come back to the normal life.
Okay.
That is what is our role, where the patient with this atmosphere should come back to the normal life. That is what like we deal, especially the role of rehabilitation deals with it.
So how you deal with COVID patients, ma'am?
Oh, COVID, I can say like it's a very sad, whatever happened last whole year and what's going to be, that now it is much better. But yes, of course, there was a time when it was a COVID, it was so difficult. And coming our part is it's a respiratory illness. Moreover, the COVID period, it like we have to, you know, literally a baby.
Yes.
The COVID is like, COVID patients are like babies.
Yes.
You know, but that's not their mistake. You know, they just get exhausted because the disease drains out their immunity, mentally weak. Because I don't know, the COVID is described in such a scariest way. As you know, as the patient is diagnosed, oh, they got a COVID. You know, they just like the mental battle is there. Only the patients give up, and then you know, yes, of course, I accept the COVID is like. Where we have, when we see the patients, you know, their strength in the COVID becomes very less. You know, you have to treat them like a babies. Okay, you are ready? Okay, if you can breathe it, respiration you can do it. Okay, this much you can do it. Okay, fine. You're feeling exhaustion. Okay, fine. You know, we have to. It's like, you know, pleasingly we have to get the thing done. Okay. We cannot be like, oh, you have to do it. No. In the COVID, we cannot like, you cannot bang on the patient. Oh, you have to do it. You have to do it. You know, they get irritated. They're just like,
okay,
you know, go. So we cannot do this. We just very pleasingly. That's what I'm saying. It's like a baby. You know, you just have to, you know, just like, okay, giving them and then getting the patient treated, so that then they come out with very good respiration. You know, after a few days, they start feeling very much better.
Yes.
And they feel like very relaxing, because they understand. And you know, that what they have to practice is for next 6 months. It's not like, okay, you are healed up completely. No, that is there inside. That damage is there inside somewhere. So they just keep on, you have to keep on counseling them. Please, after you go home, or like you are at home, because we were so many patients, like we try to counsel them, online consultations, we help them by telling them how this you breathing
Yes.
exercises take a major role, because how much you breathe, your saturations of your body will maintain. Because I don't know how this thing works, like because after the patient is taking so many medications of the COVID, the medications, that itself has a lot of side effects. And dealing with that two things, we have to train the patient, like, okay, you are fine, this is just normal like any other viral. Why you have to make it so big? Like, we have to, first you have to gain mentally, like, the patient that confidence, you're fine, this is normal, this is like, okay, something has come, it's in a pandemic, that is understood. But like, you are not like, I know I was, because when early COVIDs, like when there was a lockdown, oh, one house is a COVID positive, whole area is blocked. So many things happened. You are
Yes.
aware of all those things. So because that time we don't have that much of knowledge and that much of like exactly what is this disease about. But yes, of course, now the patients are recovering very fast. The treatment is very good, and even the patients who are coming, we're coming with a lot of faith. Okay, we recover and we go.
ఇలాంటి ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ వీడియోస్ కోసం తప్పకుండా మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.